That's about where I want them at so I can drop them in now. What's happening, y'all? Went to the market the other day. Got these old jumbo wings. These the ones I like. I like large wings. It wasn't too bad. 3.29 a pound. 3 pounds, so $10. But what we gonna do with these bad boys? You know we gonna smoke them, but we gonna smoke them and fry them. So we gonna smoke them and have them crispy, baby. So I think you know what I'm gonna do. Instead of doing these just whole, cooking them whole, I'm gonna cook them party style. Make them look like they came from the restaurant and everything. So let's do that. Get you some chicken shears. If not chicken shears, go ahead, just get a knife, a chef's knife, and cut down the middle. No big dealio. But this is how I like to do it. Makes it nice and simple. See that? Got the old flatty flat drumette. But yeah, I got this idea because it's the local smoke shops and barbecue restaurants around me in Northwest Indiana. So they smoke the wings and then they flash fry them. So they only fry them each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. And man, first I didn't know what they was doing. I said, man, why come they wings, they smoky and crispy at the same time? And saw some videos on YouTube. I saw Meat Church, and I saw him do one. And I said, oh, okay, that's how you do that. All right, check this out. Got them all chopped up. I like buying the whole wings, chopping them up yourself. Because you usually just can't find them just buying the party wings this large just by themselves. So as y'all see, we did a cup of vinegar and 4 cups of water. So we're gonna wash them and just let this sit in here for about a half an hour. And then, like I said, we're gonna season them up. Be right back. We're gonna get on outside and have ourselves a good time. I got 2 lighter cubes here. We're gonna go ahead and get this fire started. That baby is lit. All right, we're gonna let these do what it do. Let those charcoals get white hot. Put some smoke on there. We're doing applewood and hickory today. I got water in the water pan already. Got our wings clean. Get them all nice and dry. All right. Get them all back up in here in the pan so we get ready to season them. I really like how they looking. All right, get this out the way. All right, so roughly what, tablespoon and a half of olive oil. Get in on there. Go ahead, hit this with a little bit of Lawry's. Just a little bit, because we're going to hit it with some of my own custom barbecue rub. I'm trying something out. If I like it, and my old lady said, ooh, wow, baby. And I'm going to share it with y'all, and we're going to make it together. We're going to do a separate video of making the barbecue rub, because we got barbecue season coming up. And everybody want to be outside. You're going to be barbecuing, baby. Tell you what, smelling good. Smelling good. This made up a little small batch. So you can use any rub you like. However you like your wings. Be the king of your wings. Or the queen of your wings. I got that smoke out there coming up to temp. You know, we're gonna be ready to go in a few. Just gonna let these wings sit for about a half an hour. Let this seasoning soak in. And man, we gonna be good. We covering these wings up because we want them to be flavored. Now this rub here I made is very low sodium, so that's why I'm going super heavy. I maybe got 1 part sodium in here with kosher salt, and then everything else 2 and 3 parts. Cause I know I'm gonna use like another rub with it to complement it, like Lori's. All right, there we go. Y'all see how they looking? Looking good looking. All right. Just like that, y'all. Get your hands on up in there. All right, that's it. We going to the smoke. But I got this rolling on 275 degrees. Man, look at that rub on there. The sizzle. Jumbo. Birds out here strong, ain't they? Oh, maybe because they see these wings.
Yeah, that's their big brother on the grill. Big brother on the grill, like, no. Say it ain't so. Big brothers.
That ain't right. All right, y'all. Gonna give these about 30 minutes. Cause since they already cut, that ain't gonna take no time to get done. We're just trying to get them up to about 155, 160, and then throw them in the flash. Get that oil going. Darryl King barbecue, smoked fried chicken wings. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. See where we at. All right. Still climbing about 150.
Yeah.
That's about where I want them at, so I can drop them in now. We're gonna go ahead and take them off, y'all. Been on here 40 minutes. And bringing them up to temp when we finish frying them. All right, let's go inside and get these in the flash fryer. All right, y'all. Got these wings inside. Took them out. We're gonna throw these in here. Let these roll. Should take no long, about 6 minutes, you think? 6 minutes. All right, leave it like that. We ain't gonna crowd it. All right, we're gonna do this batch right here. Finish it up. Finish out the other batch. Then I'm gonna come right back. We gonna taste them up. Voila. All right, y'all. We've been having them going about 10 minutes because we took them off at about 145 to 150 degrees. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, baby. All right, be back. Finish up batch number 2. Oh, yeah. We got these beautiful babies finished up. What's everybody's favorite? The flatty? Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh, man. So check this out, y'all. That's how we do them smoke fried wings. Y'all see how we did it? We took ours off the smoke a little earlier because we didn't want to like have it like that super dry doneness. So I just took it off like 150, put it in there for about 10 minutes, let it roll. Check this out. Catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate you coming out as always. So we're gonna give it about 7 minutes. Take out do both batches. We're gonna come back. We will do.
Try it again.
All right.